Hi everyone, it's KJ, my tech guy here, and today's going to be a little bit of a different type of vlog because I'm going to be filming this entire video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm going to take you around my day as usual, but I'm not going to be carrying around this giant camera. I'm just going to be carrying around the iPhone. And yeah, I'm going to be going around my day, and throughout the video I'm also going to talk about how I'm dealing with the stresses of senior year and how I'm managing my time. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video to hear all of that. I'm going to be filming with this Rode Video Micro because I don't want to kill you guys with some bad audio quality for the entire video. And yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, it's my last year here at MIT, and I've settled on the 5 classes that I'm going to be taking this semester, and those are 1441, which is Public Finance and Policy, STS 004, which is the intersections of information, science, and technology, 16410, which is Principles of Automatic Control, 6036, which is Intro to Machine Learning, and lastly 1806, which is Linear Algebra. So I just got out of 16410 recitation, which was automatic control, and a lot of you have asked about what recitations are, and recitations are basically just times for TAs to go over concepts that we went over in lecture, just to clear up anything, and yeah, it usually helps for P-sets and future exams. So right now I'm going to head to 1806, which is Linear Algebra, and yeah. Yeah, the class that I just came out of was 1806, which is Linear Algebra. It's some concepts that I did know prior from other aerospace classes that taught them. Right now I'm just taking Linear Algebra just to fill in any gaps that I had in knowledge and just to prepare me for grad school and keep everything fresh. Right now I'm actually hungry and I need to head over to get some lunch. Romaine. So this is actually my toughest semester course load wise, with 5 classes and 60 units total. The units here correspond directly with the amount of hours that we're expected to spend in that class. So the typical course load is 4 classes, which is 48 units, so you can expect to be working around 48 hours a week, and so 60 units is working 60 hours a week, which is a lot, especially when I'm trying to balance that time with YouTube and with working out and staying healthy and the other duties I have here. So I just came back from the bunker. I had some lunch. I met up with my Chemi peeps, Jenna and Conrad. Right now we're heading to 1441 recitation, which is our public finance and policy class. Today's a recitation, and it's going to be a review session for our exam on Wednesday. How are you guys feeling for the exam?
I'm scared, but hoping this review session will make me feel less scared.
It's probably going to be pretty lit. I don't know.
Yeah, we really don't have anything to expect.
We have no idea.
It's the first exam, so I guess
no practice problem.
Yeah, we'll just see how it goes when it comes. So after that recitation, we ended up going back to the bunker, just doing some work. I'd say that people are actually a little more stressed than I expected. The review session wasn't as helpful as we would have liked. It actually made us realize how unprepared we might be. But we don't know how the actual test is going to be. We're just staying optimistic, and hopefully we can study and we'll be prepared before next week. Right now I'm in the MIT tunnels where we can walk when it's too cold outside, and also it's just less traffic, so I can get to places quicker. I'm heading to my 6036 lab, which is in building 34. I'm gonna go change the order. Look at the graph. So we just got out of 036 lab, which is machine learning, and the labs are really cool because it kind of gets all the concepts secured in my head from lectures and from the P sets, and it just makes everything a little clearer. How'd you think of it, Kevin?
It was cool, yeah. I like the concepts that we've been learning with like gradient descent and regressions, and I feel like I've learned a lot just with all the online labs and practice that we get implementing the algorithms. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I actually think the class is taught pretty well, and it's probably the best way to just secure the learning in my head that I've seen so far. All the concepts seem a lot clearer than other classes that just have lecture slides or just lectures, so it's good. Now we're heading to the student center. I have to finish some work for econ. I don't know what Kevin's up to.
Getting hungry, gotta write an essay this weekend,
So yeah, we'll be heading over there. Another cool thing that's happening right now that is also consuming a lot of my time is that I'm applying to a lot of fellowships and I'm applying to PhD programs right now. So I have to do things like take the GRE, ask for letters of recommendation from professors, and fill out these different applications that involve short essays and personal statements and resumes. So that is taking up a lot of time, but it is exciting knowing that I'm going to be moving to my next stage in life.
No, this is the part of the
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey.
I don't know if this can see me, but right now I'm in my car. I'm about to head over to campus real quick. MIT has this thing where the new freshmen of fraternities go and serenade the sororities, so I'm gonna go support our pledge class. And yeah.
Dotted line, yeah, my zodiac, probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
So we just got finished with serenades. It was actually pretty fun. It was a good time. Everyone seemed to enjoy it. Now we're gonna head back to the house. I'm heading back with Johnny and the rest of the guys.
Yeah, we're gonna head back to the house. We have a mixer going on and also a kickback, so we're just gonna hang out and chill and have a good time.
Yeah, it should be fun. It's gonna be a good Friday. So now it's 1:40 and I'm back in the room. The kickback was pretty chill. We just played some poker, had a good time, listened to some music, and yeah, it's been a long week, so I think I'm gonna head to bed earlier today. I mean, it's been a stressful semester, but it's everything that I've put upon myself, and I think I'm going to be okay in it. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to finishing this senior year. I'm looking forward to finishing graduate school applications. If you want to see videos about my graduate application process, just leave a comment down below and let me know. As for this channel, I have a lot of really cool videos planned and in the works, so make sure to subscribe and have that notification bell clicked to stay up to date on my latest videos. I'm also posting a lot more on Instagram and Twitter, so follow me on those to stay up to date with what I'm up to.
As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.